I don't know how well you can hear me due to the wind, so I'm just going to do my best. But a few weeks ago, I came up to Two Guns, Arizona, and I discovered a couple abandoned buildings and the old rest stops and tourism areas, and I missed a really cool landmark. So I came back here today just to film that and get some pictures and some footage, so let's check it out. This is cool. Old skate park. This is gnarly. Looks like an old structure. I have no idea what this building was for. My guess would be probably bathrooms and showers for back in the day. This is cool though. Jeremiah Donner, you want to go skating? Interesting. Let's go check out this building. My guess is there's probably not much in here, but we'll take a look. A lot of great art, if you can make any of it out. Some garbage. People really gotta learn how to throw stuff away. This is embarrassing. This is so cool. I'm probably standing right now where someone would probably be taking a crap back in the day. Or taking a shower, I'm not sure. Pretty cool. Wicked. So I went over there last time, checked out that place and that building. I might go back over there and check out the Apache Death Cave. There's not as many people here as there was last time. And last time there was some sketchy ass people here too. So today doesn't look so bad. Let's go down and check it out. So we're gonna go down. Hopefully this is this is so cool. I never thought I would ever be in an abandoned skate park. Well, it used to be an old pool, but it's pretty much a skate park at this point. I completely forgot, but I think I do have my board with me. It's a penny board, but we're gonna break it out, because why not? How many of you guys have ever been to any abandoned skate parks? I know I haven't, but this is a real treat. We're just going to take a look at some of the art here. What kind of Adventure Time bullshit is this? I don't know. Let's keep going. There is some people over there. They just look like they're out with ATVs and side-by-sides, so shouldn't have to worry about them. So I think what we're going to do now is go check out Apache Death Cave. It's, I don't know if you can see it, it's over there. I was here last time and I kind of wanted to go down there, but like I said, there were some sketchy people here. So we might go over there and check it out. So right now we are going to go check out the Apache Death Cave, but we're going to check out the old abandoned building up here first before we go down. I'll give you a sneak peek though. My information is a little iffy, but back in the day a bunch of white men suffocated an Indian tribe down there, and then once they built this place they sold the remains, like the skulls and bones and whatnot, for money. It's fucking creepy, I know. We're gonna go check out this abandoned building here. Oh, come come right in. Anybody home? We're selling vacuum cleaners. Cool. You put your kid right there if he talks back to you. Ah, the window. This is cool. Awesome. Dead. Yeah, that's enlightening. So many caves. I don't know what that is. Comment if you know what that is. This is cool. All right. So we're gonna attempt. To go down this thing. I don't know. Like I said, there are people here, but they don't look harmful at all. That's kind of what I'm worried about the most. Okay, I really hope this doesn't. Yep, I don't know that I'm going through. That fucking thing could collapse at any second. If I had more people with me, I'd probably go down there, but it's just me, and I don't want to put myself in that position. That's about all the farther I'm going in today. Exploring the Apache Death Cave. This is cool. I'm just gonna video the rest of the way. I'll put this on my YouTube channel. Oh, is he alive? Is that a lizard?
No, it's a little army man.
Oh, shoot.
Dude.
It's a little army man doing out here. He's just hanging out. This reminds me of that movie, The Mummy.
Yeah.
Jonathan, O'Connell, Evie, Imhotep, Caddy Schmal. I'm gonna need like a bunch of lights to come down here. Cell phone light does pretty well, but...
Why do you want to add a fresh battery in this thing?
Want to have a pull-up contest? Oh, shoot. No, that wiggles.
I want to bring the whole place down on it.
Yeah. This is so sick. Creepy.
Oh, there's the other one.
Found it? We'll come back here like 30 years from now. Hey, remember that time back in 2020? Oh, another one. Wow. That one looks scary. That looks like the rock could collapse at any second. Wicked. This part opens up here.